Hey everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to recover any deleted posts on Instagram. This works with regular posts, IGTV posts, Reels. So I'll just show you here as an example. I'll select this one here and I'll go ahead and press the three dots on it and I'll go ahead and delete it. And let's go ahead and delete this with a regular post as well. Let's go down here. Let's just take this photo for example and let's go ahead and delete this one. By the way, a better option than deleting is always archiving because it gets it out of your profile here, but it's easier to get back forever. Archiving doesn't delete it at all in any way. But I'll go ahead and delete it because you can get deleted posts back if it's recent enough. So to recover any deleted post, any recently deleted post on Instagram, press your profile icon here and then press the three lines right on top. And then on this page, we want to go to settings. So let's go in there. And then there's that count tab right over here. Let's jump in here. Now, recently deleted has a section that Instagram rolled out in 2021. If you go here, it's going to show you things that you recently deleted and your posts show up here on this tab. And anything like Reels show up over here. If you deleted IGTV, they'll also show up over here too. So to recover, just go to that post here and then press the three lines right here and then press restore and it's going to put it back on your page. Okay. And same thing with Reel. You would just click on it over here. You go ahead and press the three dots right here and then press restore and it's going to put it back on your page right there. And if I go back to my profile now and I'm going to refresh on top, and there it is. This is the one I just deleted and it's back on my profile just like before. But this option is only good for 30 days. So anything that was recently deleted on Instagram in the last 30 days could be brought back using this method. And all the likes and all the comments are intact with this as well. So you don't lose those either. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.